My name's Ben-Ari. I'm founder and CEO of a company called Applied Blockchain. We've been in the space for 9 years. We do two things. We build blockchain applications and solutions for clients. And we also have a privacy solution, which is hardware-based, which is called Silent Data. We joined a few months ago. And the reason we joined is because it's become a hub of activity. And actually, many of the clients that we work with and that we want to work with are members of the foundation. And they're selecting technology that's in here. And the reason they're doing that is because they can trust the organization, they can trust the way the code base is being managed, the way it's been open sourced, the governance around that. And that's become the de facto standard, I think, in our industry. We can see the benefits now, and we want to bring our technology here as well, and be part of this ecosystem. I think it's very difficult to know with these types of organizations because we've joined other organizations before, and once we're in, there wasn't that much going on. And I think the case in this one is it's the other way around, right? The Linux Foundation, it's obviously become the Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust. It's actually growing, and it's diversifying, and it's reaching more projects and more clients. And so that's where I think that's where we want to be. Conference is fantastic. There's a couple of things I like about it. One is that it's not too big, which means that you can actually get to know people. You can spend time with people, you can get to know them, and that's great, because sometimes the conferences can be huge and it's very difficult to actually connect with people. So it's just the right size, and then the quality of the content's really good. I think you've got a range of projects here. You've got central banks, you've got projects that are also consumer-based, you've got different technologists, experts in privacy and zero-knowledge proofs and cryptography, and you've also got people representing lots of different types of projects that are in the ecosystem, identity, and solving different problems.